For the next Christmas, I want another bag.
What is it?
Princess Yahtzee game.
Oh, cool.
Good. Okay.
Right.
Can you get that tissue on there?
All right.
Oh, thank you.
You have to put the boxing gloves on them later. You're gonna put the boxing gloves on them later. Yeah.
Can you get the other tissue?
A puppy t-shirt.
It's Nico. Oh, that's cute. Yeah. Looks like that's cute. Can you wear that to my birthday?
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Wear it next Saturday.
Oh, cute.
Mama.
Jeans. Let's see. Nice.